Introducing new edge clips by Panduit.
I have a frame edge. I like to put a mount on the side of it, and I've got a few different options I can use. First option is I could use a adhesive back mount or a code clip like I show here. Just peel and stick. Another option is I could use an integral or some type of a mount like you've got here, but I'm going to have to drill into the side to drill a hole to make that happen. The easiest option in this case is to use an edge clip. Now this is an edge clip. It provides a convenient solution to mount directly to the frame edge without requiring any adhesive or drilling. These edge clips also come pre-configured with a cable tie like you show here. Mounting the edge clip is as simple as just pushing this on. When you want to capture a wire or a cable offset from the edge in a parallel fashion, use the CMEA series. The CMEB series is when you want to route wire perpendicular to the edge. For capturing a wire running parallel and adjacent to the face, use the CMSA series. For wire running perpendicular and adjacent to the side face, use the CMSB series.
For more information on edge clips, go to www.panduit.com.